Today I'm going to show you how you can better organize your Google Docs with headers and outlines. Go to the drop-down menu that says Normal Text. This menu has a bunch of different styles you can use to customize your document. You can go to the menu to manually add the style, or press Ctrl-Alt and a number from 0 to 6 as a shortcut. Ctrl-Alt-0 applies the normal text style, and 1 through 6 apply heading styles from 1 to 6. Titles and subtitles are the only styles that have to be set manually. You can also change your styles to your preferences. For example, if I want my titles to be bold, italicized, and underlined, I can format the text, highlight it, go to the style I want to set, hover over it, and select Update Title or Update Header to match. Now the text formatting will be saved, and I can apply the new style on other text. Once you've customized your headings and styles, you can save it as your default styles and easily use them in another document. For example, if I accidentally reset my styles, I can quickly return them by pressing Use My Default Styles. If you don't see the headings 4 through 6 here, don't worry, you can make them appear by selecting deeper and deeper headings. For example, selecting heading 3 will show heading 4 and etc. etc. Google Docs has a maximum of 6 headings. Now the main advantage of setting headings is being able to use them in an outline, which you can find by going to Help and searching up Outline, Show Document Outline. This will give you a bunch of different links that will allow you to easily navigate throughout the page. Thanks for watching.